Hi everyone, this is Emmy. My daughter makes the perfect fluffy scrambled eggs. So today I'm going to show you how she does that. So I've got 2 eggs. I'm going to add some salt and some pepper and just a little bit of water. And I'm going to scramble those up. I'm going to spritz a bit of oil in my frying pan. And I'm going to add my scrambled eggs. And I'm going to let it start cooking. When I start seeing it cook around the edges, I'm going to show you that's the secret to the fluffy scrambled eggs. Okay, I can see it starting to cook here, so I'm going to take my spatula, and this is the secret to the scrambled eggs that are fluffy. I'm just going to move this to the center, and I'm going to let the rest of the egg run down into the sides. So just move that to the center. And that's it. Fluffy scrambled eggs. That's 2 eggs, and that's quite a bit of egg. And there you have fluffy scrambled eggs.